How to change date and time in Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. To change date and time in Android phone, launch Settings application. Now you need to scroll down. Navigate to Additional Settings and tap to open it. Select date and time. Currently, we have set on time format. You can choose the time format and set to 24 hours instead of 12 hours. And then here you can easily set the time automatically by toggling on the button. You can even set it manually toggling off the button and selecting date. Here you can easily scroll and then change the date. And similar to the time as well, you can easily scroll this bar and then change the time. You can even change the time zone automatically. Tap on time zone and you can set it to different time zone. So as per your wish, you can easily choose any of the time zone and change the time zone. So in this way, you can easily change date and time in Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.